Hey, what's new?
Nothing much.
What's your name?
My name is Jennifer.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
Where were you born?
I was born in Toronto.
Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles, California.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you speak English?
I understand English, but I can't speak it well.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 15th.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sibling.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling.
Do you like the English language?
Yes, I like the English language.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 424-576-8765.
What do you do?
I'm a doctor.
What is your marital status?
I'm married.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What are your hobbies?
I like shopping and reading books.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to the park with my family.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages: French, English, and Spanish.
What is she doing?
She is in her bedroom.
Where is your sister?
She's watching television.
What is wrong with her?
She's sick.
Where is it?
It is in the garage.
Would you mind opening the window?
It would be my pleasure.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to pay a visit to my grandmother.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking ketchup chips.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it's essential for my work.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend's name is Emily.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to go hiking.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I've been to a zoo.
Where do you work?
I work at Amazon.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sausages.
Do you have any pets?
No, unfortunately, I don't have any pets.
When do you go to bed at night?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
What do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch thrillers on TV.
How do you get to work?
I go to work by bus.
What's the weather like today?
Today the weather is sunny and warm.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have a hobby. I like to paint.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Spain on my last vacation.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Little Prince.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Will Smith.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English 2 years ago.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to play video games.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages, German and English.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Munich, Germany.
When is your favorite time of day?
My favorite time of day is sunset.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little bit.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
For breakfast today, I had cereal.
Where is your favorite place to visit in your city?
My favorite place to visit in my city is the park.
Have you ever traveled by plane?
Yes, I have traveled by plane.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Adele.
Do you know Mary Shore?
We are friends since our childhood.
Is the supermarket near here?
Yes, it's opposite the bank.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 5 times a week.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Can you fix my bike?
Sure.
How long do you think it will take to fix it?
It's hard to tell.
Did you buy your house?
No, I'm renting it.
Do you often go to restaurants?
Yes, I like eating out.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like to eat pizza.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
What would you like to drink?
Iced tea will be okay.
Is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is a bank nearby.
Can I speak to Michael, please?
I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment.
When will he be back?
He will be back in 30 minutes.
Do you think he will be happy?
I think so.
Do you think you can do it?
I'll try my best.
Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thank you for your time.
Anything else?
Nothing else, please.
What happened to you?
I had an accident.
How was your day?
It was perfect.
Where can I park?
You can park anywhere.
Do you know who I am?
I have no idea.
Do you usually eat lunch alone?
Not all the time.
Are these books yours?
Yes, they are mine.
How do you spend your evenings?
I spend them reading books.
Why did you stop going to work?
I stopped because I established my own company.
Do we need to bring anything?
A few cloves with some water will be okay.
May I ask you something?
Yes, what is your question?
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I have one at 10 a.m.
Which one do you prefer, tea or coffee?
Well, I prefer coffee.
When did you last go to a live concert?
I went to a live concert last month.
How tall are you?
I am 5.8 feet.
Are you new here?
Not at all. I've lived here since childhood.
When did you buy your car?
I bought it last year.
Can I pay by credit card?
Sorry, we only take cash.
What do you do when you have free time?
I love to read and listen to music.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Spain.
Are you American?
Yes, I'm American.
What did you do yesterday?
I went shopping.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I plan to go to the movies.
When did you last visit a museum?
I last visited a museum last month.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school is history.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
How many fingers do you have?
I have 5 fingers on each hand.
What are you doing right now?
Right now, I am answering your questions.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Where did you go on your last birthday?
On my last birthday, I went to a restaurant with friends.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is cherries.
When do you usually have dinner?
I usually have dinner at 7 p.m.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
What do you do before going to bed?
Before going to bed, I brush my teeth.
How do you like your eggs in the morning?
I like my eggs scrambled.
What's your favorite type of music to dance to?
I love dancing to hip-hop music.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening relaxing.
How do you usually celebrate New Year's Eve?
I celebrate New Year's Eve by watching fireworks with friends.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I can't ride a skateboard, but I want to learn.
Have you ever seen a wild animal in your neighborhood?
Yes, I once saw a raccoon in my neighborhood.
What kind of music do you like to listen to?
I like to listen to heavy metal.
Where would you like to go on your dream vacation?
I would love to visit the Maldives for my dream vacation.
How do you like to spend your summers?
I like to spend my summers at the beach.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dolphin.
Can you speak any other languages besides English?
Yes, I can speak German.
When did you learn to ride a bike?
I learned to ride a bike when I was 7 years old.
Do you have any favorite board games?
Yes, my favorite board game is Monopoly.
When was the last time you went to a concert?
The last time I went to a concert was 2 months ago.
Have you ever visited a famous landmark?
Yes, I visited the Eiffel Tower in Paris.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
On my birthday, I have a party with friends and family.
Can you play a sport?
Yes, I can play soccer.
Why do you like your hometown?
I like my hometown because it's peaceful and beautiful.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love sunny weather.
Do you like to cook traditional dishes from your country?
Yes, I enjoy cooking traditional dishes.
How many books do you have at home?
I have around 50 books at home.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Have you ever been in a talent show?
No, I've never been in a talent show.
What's your favorite type of footwear?
I like wearing sneakers.
When did you start learning to swim?
I started learning to swim when I was 5 years old.
Have you ever gone camping?
Yes, I've gone camping in the mountains.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I listen to calming music when I'm stressed.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy taking photos, especially of nature.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I like HIIT workouts.
How many rooms are there in your house?
There are 6 rooms in my house.
What's the most interesting place you've ever visited?
The most interesting place I visited is Machu Picchu.
Do you enjoy watching cartoons?
Yes, I like watching cartoons on Saturdays.
When was the last time you had a picnic?
The last time I had a picnic was last summer.
What's your favorite type of car?
My favorite type of car is a convertible.
Have you ever seen a shooting star?
Yes, I've seen a shooting star once.
What's your favorite type of flower?
My favorite type of flower is a rose.
Do you like to write in a journal?
Yes, I write in a journal every day.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
And if so, which one? What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
On a rainy day, I like to stay indoors and read a book.
When did you last visit a theme park?
I visited a theme park last summer.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't have any tattoos.
When did you last go to a live concert?
I went to a live concert last month.